Hi Ian, this is Jerry Trevathan. This is my Lab 2 video. For some reason, when I'm trying to create the video on my computer with my microphone, the audio doesn't come through, so I've created this video on my phone as well. With my phone, the video isn't as good, so I just created a video that has good video, and then this video has the good audio. So at the top of this program you can see the rubric program, and then this line imports the Java scanner, and then this is initializing my string variable, and then these first three lines of system.out.println are explaining what the program is going to do, and then this fourth line asks the user to enter their text, and then this line prints that you entered and then what they entered, and then a new line. And then I have 5 if statements here. Each if statement takes one of the acronyms and then replaces it with what that acronym means, and then prints out a line that says that the replacement was done. And then below all the if statements, I have this last line here that prints out what they typed with the acronyms changed to what they actually mean. So I'll go ahead and show that the program runs correctly. And then I'll go ahead and type in some of the acronyms here. And then you can see that the program's outputs what was said, what was typed, and then it shows each of the replacements done for the acronyms, and then it shows this line at the bottom that shows what they typed with the replacement for the acronyms done. That's it. Thank you.